Greetings, data explorers. Rachel here. It's time to build on our pattern matching foundation from the SQL like operator and dive into the versatile world of SQL wildcards. Before we proceed, ensure you're comfortable with the like operator from our last session. Today's wildcards are the key to making those searches even more powerful. Today, we're mastering SQL wildcards. These are special characters used to substitute for others in a string, giving your pattern matching incredible flexibility. Wildcards are used with the like operator in a where clause to search for specified patterns in your data columns. Let's see them in action. Remember that different database systems use different symbols. We'll explore the wildcards for both Microsoft Access and SQL Server today. While MS Access uses the asterisk and question mark, SQL Server relies on percent signs and underscores. Match your tool to the syntax. Let's start with MS Access. The asterisk finds any number of characters, while the question mark represents exactly one single character. In MS Access, an asterisk finds any number of characters, while the question mark represents exactly one, like finding hot, hat, or hit. Access also supports bracketed sets and numeric character matching, giving you even more control over your specific data needs. You can also use brackets to find specific characters, or the hash symbol to substitute for any single numeric character in your string. Now for SQL Server. The percent sign handles 0 or more characters, and the underscore handles exactly 1. These are the workhorses of pattern matching. For example, this query returns all customers whose name starts with A. The percent sign handles any sequence of characters that follow. You can also use brackets to define character lists, or the caret symbol to find characters not included in your list. Let's see that in the editor. These queries find customers whose names start with B, S, or P, or those beginning with any letter in the range from A through F. The underscore is more specific. It can be any character or number, but each underscore represents one and only one character. Let's see that precision in action. This pattern finds any city starting with one character followed by on, pulling results like London perfectly with proper syntax and spacing. Or search for cities starting with L, followed by any 3 characters and ending with ON. Notice how those underscores act as precise placeholders. The real magic happens when you combine them. You can find AR in the second position or build complex patterns to match your needs. By mixing underscores and percent signs, you can find R in the second position or ensure a string has a minimum character length. And remember, without a wildcard, the like operator requires an exact match. Here, we're finding customers specifically from Spain. Now, it's your turn to be the expert. Open PyCharm on your computer and write a query to return all customers that have R in the second position. Your time starts now. And here is the solution. An underscore followed by R and a percent sign is the key. I hope you all crossed the finish line successfully. That wraps up our masterclass on SQL wildcards. Join me next time as we dive into the SQL in operator to streamline our data filtering even further. Don't forget to practice at home and review previous lessons. Subscribe to our channels and visit our website for more resources. Stay brilliant. I've been Rachel, and I'll see you in our next deep dive into the world of SQL. Keep coding and goodbye for now.